Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all fine. Today our topic is how to make money on Amazon in 2021. So before we start our topic, if you're not subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you get our videos as soon as possible. So let me start our video. 13 proven ways to make money on Amazon in 2021. Guest post by Darren D. Max, co-founder of e-commerce CU. When it comes to online money making, it does not get much bigger than Amazon. Luckily for any entrepreneur looking for a new way to generate income, is an easy way to get started. They offer a variety of ways for you to share the wealth using their platform. You may be surprised by how easy it is to be an Amazon best seller or otherwise generate significant income on Amazon. There are many ways to make money on Amazon, whether you are selling something or not, whether skill or resource you have at your disposal. Here are some ways that Amazon can help you to generate income. Why Amazon? Amazon has made the 344 million billion US dollars gross market value on the online marketplace worldwide since it launched in 1994. No e-commerce site make as much money in 2017. Sale on Amazon Marketplace accounted for an estimated 20% of total e-commerce sale in retail. There is money to be made on a variety of online shopping platforms, but Amazon beats out the rest as the biggest and the most versatile option, whether you are selling or generating income from products and services. Amazon customer trust is exponential as many as 89% of US customers are more likely to buy product from Amazon than another e-commerce site. In this reality long history as an online marketplace, Amazon has become a standard for building trust with its customers and growing long-term loyalty. If you are looking for a way to make money online reliably for the foreseeable future, Amazon probably has a good option for you. How to make money on Amazon? Number one, affiliate marketing. One of the most straightforward way to make significant money on Amazon without selling anything yourself is as an Amazon affiliate. Amazon affiliate program is truly a giant in the Amazon money making world. If you have reach online, whether it's through a website, blog or because you are community moderate, you have the capacity to make money as an Amazon affiliate. All you need to do this recommended product on Amazon is a product category that appeals to your audience. If your audience follows the affiliate link and make the purchase, you will earn a commission, generally between 4% and 10% of the product purchase price goes to the Amazon affiliate. Being part of the Amazon affiliate program is incredibly easy and it can be highly